Hello and welcome back to our
challenging year for
Today,
all cryptocurrencies.
we're discussing the recent volatility
the
of
world's
Bitcoin,
largest
and the question on
cryptocurrency
everyone's
has
mind:
lost
will
almost
Bitcoin rise
65%
again?
of its market value. The crypto community was caught off guard by a series of unfortunate events, such as the Terra Luna crash, fallout of the largest crypto exchange FTXDXE, and looming macroeconomic conditions. But what will happen next? Will Bitcoin ever rise again to its previous heights? In this video, we'll be discussing the possibilities for Bitcoin prices in 2023. Let's start with the bullish view. Despite recent price corrections, Bitcoin is currently trading above $27,850 levels and holding steady. Bitcoin's dominance is at a 9-month high, above 45% for the first time since June 2022. It is to be noted, Bitcoin's dominance continues to increase while most of the altcoins such as Cardano ADA, Polkadot DOT Avalanche, VOT Avalanche, VAX Litecoin LTC, and many others have slumped. BTC has witnessed a sharp rebound of more than 20% after the nerve-wracking previous sessions. While the future of Bitcoin remains unknown, retail investors need to be cautious about each and every move of Bitcoin, as it has been a tumultuous month for the currency. However, Bitcoin is still trading almost 65% lower than its all-time high. The reasons for such volatility have been the macroeconomic conditions of the major markets such as the US and the UK. India's stance on cryptocurrencies also continues to be tough, with the government bringing all crypto-related transactions under the ambit of the Money Laundering Act. In conclusion, while the future of Bitcoin is uncertain, it's important to keep an eye on the currency's movements and to be cautious with investments. It's still too early to predict if Bitcoin will ever rise again to its previous heights, but with the cryptocurrency market being so unpredictable, anything is possible. That's it for today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching.